Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change Siri voice on Apple Watch Series 11. To change the voice of your Siri, you have to press the digital crown to open the list of all applications and then scroll down to Settings. Open Settings by tapping on it. Then scroll down until you find Siri and open the Siri menu and scroll down until you find the language and the Siri voice settings. So if you select Siri voice, you'll be able to select a variation of English and also the voice simply by tapping on it.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Each language has its own Siri settings, so if you want to change the language, just tap right here and then select the language that you need, and then after that select the voice, adjust the voice to yourself. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.